just following the road ahead. Watching this corner. Yeah, safe for me to see around that corner and back on the gas again. I am going uphill, so I want to be a little bit more gentle aggressiveness, but making sure I don't go past 30. It's just slightly raining now, so I'm just going to clean my window in front of me. There we go. And I can see the national speed limit. Single carriageway, 60 miles an hour. I will not be doing 60. The speed that you are aiming for on this road is possibly about 37 to 40. I've got to look at the nature of the road and the hazards in front of me. So I'm at 42, so I'm off the gas, the person's braking. You remember, you need to brake before the bend and be ready for the bend. So my speed around the bend is a lot slower here and following the bend. Once I can see again, I'm gently bringing up that gas again. So between the bends, you can increase the speed like I have here, 38, 39. And I'm just easing off the gas to be ready for this bend. I'm not even braking because I'm going uphill. Use the gravitational pull to help you. There's another bend coming. I'm just easing off the gas. Now we're going downhill because I can see the highway maintenance van braking. So I'm off the gas and I'm braking, being prepared for this corner. Yeah, then I'm back on the gas. Once I can see again, back on the gas. There's another bend coming. I'm off the gas. I don't need to brake yet. I'm just braking gently there, just before the bend. And I'm just following the bend round. If you look at my speed, I'm not doing 60. It's quite impossible. I'm following the road round. There's a long stretch of road. It is a national speed limit, so I'm building up my speed. I can see the 30 sign there. So look at my speed, it's already 38. So I'm easing off the gas, making sure that my speed is 30 before the Glen Mavis 30 sign. So I'm at 27, that's fine. I just want to increase the speed a little because I dropped to 26.